What's up, 2SDN Mob? We're back with another video, and today we're making Christmas sugar cookies. I know we done made cookies one time already within our Vlogmas. What is it? Our 25 days of Vlogmas?
Yeah.
Okay, but today we're doing something different. Them was pre-made.
What?
So today we're gonna cut our own cookies. So we're gonna use the Pillsbury sugar cookies.
Sugar. Do I get a cookie this time?
No.
That's a damn shame, boy. Let me get a cookie.
Listen, the cookies ain't even made yet. You already worrying about the cookies.
No. Stop smoothie up.
Okay, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut the cookies open, and we're gonna pat them out, and we're gonna cut them. And we'll be back in a few minutes. Let me get these open. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm cutting it off like that, and I'm gonna roll up balls and pat them out. Oh God. Cause I don't want them too thick, cause when they start the when you put them in the oven and they spread, they gonna get bigger. You don't want to pick out a shape from over there, John, that you want to use first. Okay, so now we finished doing that. We're gonna put them in the oven for like 11 to 14 minutes. Oh my God, y'all. You think I should show them how? You gonna put the camera on them anyway?
Yeah.
They done swole up. They don't even look how they look when they went in. This a fail.
No, it's not a fail. I like big cookies. Just like I like my
The only one still got the shape is the snowflake.
And the J.
What? That's not a J. It was a candy cane.
Oh.
But the tree don't look the same. The star, none of them. Okay, we gonna still decorate them though. We'll be back when I get them out of here.
God damn it.
Hang that over there, John. Nope, turn it around. The only one look the same is the snowflake. That don't even look like a snowflake.
Can I have these two?
Yeah, you can have them. You just want them.
Don't put your fingers on them.
I'm telling you, you them the ones you gonna decorate. I don't even know what they was.
God damn it.
Okay.
To keep my cookies.
I used to have
So now we're gonna decorate our cookies. Even though they don't look nothing like the cookies we originally cut.
Don't look nothing like the rider.
You know that.
Red ball.
know in the comments down below who did the better job at designing the cookies. Now this John's on right here.
That's a 10 right now. Hey, Pull Army, get in the comments. I'm gonna send y'all the video on my Instagram story at Chet Cheese and John. And y'all,
Them cookies is trash.
and y'all go in the comments and spam Pull John 1. Hashtag Pull Army.
Look at mine. They match the nails. Y'all see that?
Those
Y'all go together.
They done trash. It look just like mine.
You a lie. My cookies is not trash. Listen, they already blew up real big, but I did a good job with my design.
And this is mine, the one.
That one look just like you.
The one.
That one look like it just came from the bins with a bloody
So
mouth.
this is 2 scoops. This is D Nicole's. And this is Pull John.
And they look just like
No,
that.
they look just like Subway cookies. And y'all know how that tastes. That tastes good.
Not like those.
Yes, they
Okay,
do.
go back down and get me.
Twisty Mom, we're back.
Okay, you guys, that's all for this video. We'll see y'all in the next video.
Next video. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you comment in the comment section at 2 Scoop 1.
Listen, he think he finna eat these cookies. He ain't getting not one
Man,
of
I
them.
can't get a cookie.
John's finna eat all of them.
Man, that's a shame. You have
See y'all in the next video.
The cookie. I
See y'all in the next video.
The cookie is good. I can't eat the cookie though.
Damn. What you getting something to drink?